Hello, children. So, we were studying chapter number 1, The Man Who Fought Windmills. Today, we are going to cover the last part of the story. As we know that the story is a humorous one and it is completely based on imagination. A man, a knight whose name was Don Quixote, who used to believe that he is a knight and he'll do some adventurous things in his life. So he was ready to do such things. So when Don Quixote was on the ground and his helmet turned the other way on his head, after seeing that situation, Sancho said, "Didn't I tell you they were windmills?" said Sancho as he ran over to help his friend get on his feet. When Sancho found that his friend Don Quixote was not in a good position, he went to him and told that, "Didn't I tell you they were windmills?" Means Sancho was trying to make him realize that they were windmills, not giants. I have already told you. "They were changed into windmills by magic," said Don Quixote. "They are really giants." But Don Quixote was in a state of mind that he was not ready to accept the reality. So he said that no, they were only giants. They have changed into windmills by magic. As he used to believe in the magical things and adventures and such things, so he told Sancho that no, Sancho, they are giants only, and they have turned into windmills by magic. Then Don Quixote had an idea. "Quick, Sancho, get my saddle bag. My magic bowl is in it. I'll show these giants they can't fool me." Now, saddle bag means bags hanged over or on the horses to keep things. So Don Quixote told that Sancho, "Wait, I'll show you that these were giants only. I'll reveal them. So go and bring my saddle bag." And I want that to reveal that they are only giants, not windmills. Sancho rushed over to Rocinante and got the saddle bag. Now, Sancho was thinking, my friend has become mad, so whatever he is saying, let me do. He took out the bowl, filled as it was with curd. Perhaps Don Quixote has added a magic potion to the curd, he thought. Now, when Sancho went to the Rocinante, he found that there was a bowl in it, but in that bowl was filled with curd. In that bowl, there was curd. But still, Sancho thought that Don Quixote is a kind of person who is thinking about magic and adventure. So, it may happen that there will be a magic potion to the curd. He thought. Potion means liquid with magic powers. So, he said he thought that maybe there will be magic potion in this bowl, so let me take this bowl to Don Quixote. "Give me the bowl," said the brave knight. Now that brave knight, Don Quixote told Sancho that, "Give me that bowl. I'll wear it on my head and turn these windmills back into giants." Now how foolish Don Quixote was. He was thinking that if he'll wear the bowl full of curd on his head, those windmills will turn into giants. Is it It is quite not possible that if he'll wear the bowl full of curd on his head, the windmills will turn into giants. But still, he was not in a condition to accept the reality. But the bowl is full of. Sancho was trying to tell that, but that bowl is full of curd. Then how is it possible that if you will wear the bowl full of curd, I'll be able to see those giants, or the giants will be revealed? Too late. Don Quixote had already put the bowl on his head. Now it was too late. Don Quixote just took the bowl and put on his head. The curd began to drop all over his face. Now it was quite obvious that when he'll put a bowl full of curd, when anyone will put the bowl full of curd, it will come over his face, it will drip over his face. "Help, Sancho, help, my brain is melting." Now Don Quixote was thinking that now his brain is melting. It is not possible that anyone's brain would melt. But Don Quixote was thinking that my brain is melting. "Sancho, my brain is melting." He is shouting that my brain is getting melted. Those wicked giants have a cast spell on me. Means those bad giants have a cast spell on me. They have done some magic on me. That's why those giants turned into a windmill and now my brain is melting. They are doing it with their magical powers. Oh, Don Quixote. Sancho couldn't stop laughing. Now Sancho started laughing that how foolish my friend is. Let's go home. We'll come another day when the wind is not blowing and get those giants, he said finally. So Sancho said that my friend is mad. So he suggested that okay, now your brain is melting, so we'll do one thing. Let's go home and we'll come another day when the wind is not blowing and we'll get those giants because Don Quixote was not ready to accept that there are no giants, there are only windmills, and there is nothing magical powers like that. He was not ready to believe. So Sancho told that instead of suggesting him something else, he told, okay, do one thing, we'll come another day when the wind is not blowing. Why he said when the wind is not blowing? Because of that wind only, the blades of the windmill moved and his lance was stuck into that and was thrown on the ground. Okay, so he said that will come another day when the wind is not blowing, then the blades will not move and these things wouldn't happen. All right, we'll go, but just till I can get my brain fixed. Don Quixote told, okay, we'll go, and I want my brain to be fixed till that time, and again I'll come because I'm not giving up. I'm a knight and someday I'll be a hero. Means still Don Quixote is thinking that okay, I'll come another day when the wind is not blowing and I'll kill these giants because I'm a knight and I have to do some adventurous things because I have to be a hero one day. So Don Quixote and Sancho went. So the value pick of this story, the moral of this story is you should have dreams, okay, but you should be in the reality. If you will live in a dream world, it will get you into trouble. As because it was good that he wanted to do some adventurous things or he wanted to become a knight, basically a soldier, so he could join army or something like that. But what he was doing, he was harming himself, trying to do such activity, such foolish activity, such stupid activity. He was not ready to accept the reality that there are no kings and queens and knights and all, so he could have joined the better way, but what he was doing, he was harming himself. So we should have dream and we should have the right path for getting the dream or to follow that dream to get the aim or something you have thought of. But if you will live in a dream world, you will only get yourself into trouble. So students, your homework will be you have to go through chapter 1 and you have to learn the difficult words given on page number 3 of your book. And I have written some difficult words by here by giving the bracket that also you will learn. Okay, thank you.